cabinet reshuffle in Karnataka, with Congress leaders indicating that nearly 50% of ministerial positions could be given to new faces ahead of the 2028 Assembly elections. Cabinet Chief Whip in the State Legislative Council, Saleem Ahmed, said experienced ministers who have served in the government for the past 3 years could be assigned organizational responsibilities as the party seeks to implement the Kamaraj Plan model, under which senior leaders focus on strengthening the party organization. He said the proposal is expected to be discussed at the Congress Legislature Party meeting today, although the final decision will rest with the party high command. While Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar is expected to retain the irrigation portfolio, uncertainty remains over the Bengaluru development portfolio currently held by him and the finance portfolio currently held by Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Lobbying for cabinet berths has already begun. 7 Congress leaders from Kolar district, including 3 MLAs and 2 MLCs, have written to AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge seeking 3 ministerial positions for the district. They recommended Bangarpet MLA S.N. Narayanaswamy under the SC category and Malur MLA Nanjigowda and Kolar MLA Manjunath under the general category. Narasimha Raja MLA Tanveer Seth has also expressed interest in joining the cabinet, saying he missed the opportunity to become a minister during Siddaramaiah's tenure because both leaders belong to the same district. He said he hopes his seniority, experience and maturity will be taken into consideration during the next cabinet formation. Forest Minister Ishwar Khandre has called for adequate representation for the Lingayat community, noting that 36 Lingayat legislators were elected on Congress tickets. As president of the All India Veerashaiva Lingayat Mahasabha, he urged the High Command to ensure proper representation for Lingayat leaders in the cabinet. Supporters and party workers from Bidar district and his constituency have also demanded that he to be appointed as Deputy Chief Minister and Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee President. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.